The fourth fundamental right is cultural and educational rights. Indian government guarantees cultural and educational right under Article 29 and 30. This right preserves the right of every citizen of India to conserve his or her culture, language, or script. Minorities or the group of people who are less in number may also establish their educational institutions. It shows that Indian Constitution helps to protect the right of not only majority but also minorities in the country. The fifth fundamental right is right against exploitation. You must have heard that child labor is banned. Children below the age of 14 years will not be allowed to work in factories, mines, or other dangerous places. We are also not allowed to call or humiliate anyone as an untouchable. We cannot force anyone to work for long hours or work under unhealthy conditions. Buying and selling of children or adult is also prohibited under right against exploitation. The sixth fundamental right is right to constitutional remedies. What would you do if someone exploits you or police arrests you for no reason? What would you do if a fundamental right has been violated by the state or any other person? Right to constitutional remedies is the remedy or the solution to such problems. Under this right, Indians are allowed to approach or appeal in the court of law in case any fundamental right is denied. The judiciary acts as a guardian of our fundamental rights. So these are the 6 fundamental rights given in the Indian Constitution. These fundamental rights lay the foundation of our democratic setup. They protect the secular nature of our country. Thank you for watching this video.